The 36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no talking, no smoking, no chewing gum, no sleeping or laying down, no eating or drinking, no driving or riding in a moving vehicle. Please keep your device on mute until you are addressed by staff. Also, keep your device on a surface level so that your face may be seen. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Ms. Spears, can you hear us okay this morning?
Yes, Your Honor. How are you?
I'm wonderful. How about yourself?
I'm great. Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I was gonna say, I believe this is the first time we've worked together, so
Yes.
you can stay how you want to. You don't have to have your picture on right now if you don't want to, but I just want to make sure you were present.
I am.
Okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. We're gonna call Desiree Williams first. Now calling the matter of People versus Desiree Williams. This is ticket number P1277704. This is one count of 16 to 20 miles over posted speed. Today is the date and time set for a formal hearing. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. For the record, Diane Sutton on behalf of Desiree Williams, who's sitting across from me. Say your name. Desiree Williams.
All right, Ms. Williams. Today is the date and time for a formal hearing. How are we proceeding?
My client will plead responsible, Your Honor, to limited excess speed 5 over, with the original charge being dismissed.
Okay, and that's how you want to move forward today, Ms. Williams?
Yes.
All right, so reading from the ticket to establish a factual basis that on the date of November 11th, 2021, in the area of Mound Road and East Auto Drive in the city of Detroit, Ms. Williams was driving a Honda vehicle and did speed doing 5 miles over limited access. Satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, the court is satisfied as well and will accept the plea of responsible to the amended charge of limited access 65 mile per hour zone. Ma'am, the fine for that is $125. With civil infractions, you typically have 14 days to be able to pay that. Is that going to be enough time for you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so I'll make it due no later than July 25th of this month, okay? July 25th.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. If there's nothing further, you're all set. She
Thank
can
you.
sign up if you can as well.
It's a pleasure, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day, okay?
You too.
Oh. C. Williams,
Yes, ma'am.
you having trouble staying in the room today? What's going on?
I'm not sure what happened. Was connected with my Bluetooth and I just got disconnected.
Okay. So you just need to go back to your room. You remember what room you had them in?
I was in room 10, I believe.
Okay, fantastic. Thank you. We're gonna put you back into that room, okay?
Okay.
Mr. Jesse Williams? Jesse Williams, press *6 on your phone, please.
Yes, Jesse Williams.
Yes. Hi, Mr. Williams. This is the judge. How are you doing today?
I'm pretty good, Judge. How are you today?
I'm good. Thank you for asking. I am,
Yes.
I know you still have to pay the $300, and the person that you sent the information into, we're having a little trouble reaching out to them today. So I'm gonna have you come back in a week. Hopefully, we'll be able to see everything, because I know I can't see it on the phone right now. You're on a phone without.
I made copies. I went to Office Depot and they made copies for me. I got all my classes. I got my tests. I did everything but, pay the $300. So I didn't know where to send it.
Right, right, and I'm not saying that you didn't do that, but I can't see it, because I don't have a copy of it yet, okay? And I have to have a copy of it, and, and you have to pay the money. So I'm just gonna adjourn it a week, pay the money today, and so we're gonna give it a couple of days to be able to post so we can see that, and then hopefully we'll be able to get those documents. You don't need to resend them right now, we just can't reach the person that you sent them to, and so I can't see them to verify that you've done what you said, okay?
I sent them to Mrs. Green, the probation specialist.
I know you did, sir. I'm not saying that you didn't. What I'm saying is that we can't get in contact with Ms. Green, and we don't have a
Oh.
copy of it. So I'm not
Oh.
able to, I'm not saying that you didn't send it to her. I'm just saying we've
Oh.
reached out to her several times this morning, and we've been unable to reach her. So I don't see it, and it's no way I can see them, because you're currently just on the phone calling in. So even if you have the documents in front of you, I can't see them. Okay, so, and I have to see them before I can close this out under disorderly conduct. And I need you to pay, okay?
But I can come down and pay the $300 today.
Yes, you can, yes. I would prefer if you did.
Make it payable to who? The 36th district?
Yes,
Okay, I'm on my way.
okay, sir. All right, bring the paper too. You
I
have the
sure
paper?
will. Yes,
Bring
ma'am. I have all my.
Yeah, if you bring everything with you, then we may be able to try and handle it today and just close it out, okay?
I appreciate you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you, Mr. Williams. I appreciate you. We'll see you soon.
All right.
All right.
Attorney Elwood Berry?
Yes,
Okay, I just sent you over the office for Delilah Wilson, Edward Webb, and Brianna Willis.
okay.
Brianna Willis is in breakout room 2. Edward Webb is in breakout room 7. And Delilah Wilson is in breakout room 12.
Okay, here. Looks quiet.
Ms. Yukin?
Yes, I was trying to email and my phone just died. I'm having a problem. I
Okay, I'm
apologize.
just gonna, that's okay. I'm just gonna leave you in the main session, okay? I'm just gonna leave you right out here, okay? So just
Okay,
place it on mute for me.
okay. I apologize also.
That's okay.
You want me to mute myself, dear?
I'm sorry.
Did you want me to mute myself?
Yes, yes, please. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah,
Hello there. I'm here. I'm here.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi.
Yes, place the device on mute for me, okay?
I'm sorry.
Place your device on mute for me, okay?
Okay. I'm here. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you. Hold on a moment.
Could I be placed with Delilah Wilson?
Yes.
Mr. Elwoodbury, let me do Ms. Walker first before we go.
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
Now calling the matter of People versus Rhonda Walker. This is ticket number P 1232824. Count 1, leave scene of accident, property damage. Count 2, driver's license expired. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Walker. State your full
Walker?
name.
Rhonda Lachey Walker.
Your Honor, this is the date and time set for trial. I'm not aware that Officer Biggs has appeared, and respectfully, we seek dismissal.
The time is now 10:19 a.m. No officer has checked in on this matter. The court is going to dismiss this without prejudice at this time. Ms. Walker, they can refile this matter if they would like to, but as of today, you're all set, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate it.
No problem. Have a good day.
You as well.
Thank you.
May I be placed with Delilah Wilson?
Yes.
Thank you. May I be placed with Trevion Williams?
Mr. Barry,
Yes, I have one more person to
I was
see.
curious. I never saw the video. I'd like to know where she did
Hold
attack.
on, hold on, hold on. If we're gonna talk, we'll talk in the breakout room.
Okay, apologize.
All right.
I don't have a breakout room.
You just sit there and be quiet and you'll be placed in a breakout room.
Okay.
Attorney Elwood Berry, have you spoken with everyone?
Yes, I have.
You ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Clerk, she's in
Oh.
another group right now. Okay, so I'm gonna close the breakout rooms, okay? You spoken with everyone?
I haven't, I've got this David Erickson Young. I don't have an offer for him. He's got 20 tickets. Is there a David Deshaun Young present?
No.
Okay, but Erickson Young is here and I don't have an offer for him.
Right, you know what that was. Okay, let me pull his file. We need an offer for him.
Definitely need an offer for him.
Right. Okay, so I'm just gonna bring everyone else and put them in the waiting room. You spoken with everyone else, right?
Yes, I need to speak with Miss Yokins in a breakout room
Okay,
again.
okay, I'm gonna put her in. Okay. I'm gonna place Ms. Yukins into breakout room 1. Ms. Yukins? I'm gonna place you in breakout room 1 so you can speak with the attorney, okay? So when you see join, hit join.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome. Attorney Barry, she's going to breakout room 1, okay? Ms. Wilson, Delilah Wilson,
Yes,
have you spoken with the attorney?
yes,
Okay, Ms. Wilson, I'm sorry. We're gonna need you to put on another shirt for court, and then I'm gonna.
Hello?
Ms. Wilson?
Yes, ma'am. I hear you.
Okay, I'm gonna place you into the waiting room until the judge is ready for you, okay?
Okay,
Right. But go ahead and put on another shirt for us, okay?
I am.
Thank you. Mr. Webb,
Yes,
have you spoken with your attorney yet?
yes, I have.
Okay, I'm gonna place you into the breakout room. I'm sorry, I'm gonna place you into a waiting room until the judge is ready, okay? You're not driving, are
Yeah.
you?
No,
Okay. I'm gonna place you in the waiting room until the judge is ready for you, okay?
okay, I'm waiting. I gotta go to work this evening.
Okay, you'll be done for this evening. Tavion Williams,
Yes,
have you spoken to the attorney?
yes, I have.
Okay, I'm gonna place you into a breakout, I'm sorry, a waiting room until the judge is ready for you, okay?
Okay.
Attorney Barry, have you spoken with Ms. Yukin?
Yes, I have.
Are you waiting on her?
Well, I need to talk to Attorney Gillis, but apart from that, yes.
Okay, then I'll leave her in the breakout room. He's in another courtroom right now, okay?
Okay.
Then we're gonna get an offer for, David Young.
Okay,
With the investigator.
yep,
And then.
okay. All right, I'll on Zoom.
I placed you in breakout room 1. That's where this you just did.
Okay, perfect.
Attorney Barry, we have, the prosecutor in the courtroom, Mr. Gillis.
I'd like to speak to the prosecutor. Hello, Jack.
Hey, Mr. Barry, good morning.
Morning. So, have you done David Young yet?
I just received the file on that one. I'm gonna do that. I think we were gonna maybe go in a breakout room with Investigator Chandler and speak about Yukons, if you don't mind.
Oh, yes. Client understands there's a video.
Okay, maybe we can. Do you have the ability to join one of the breakout rooms?
Yeah, John, you don't want the client in there, right? You want to put her into a different breakout room?
I'm sorry, Mary, there was some background noise. What'd you say?
Do you want the defendant in there as well, or do you want me to move her into a different breakout room?
Just Mr. Barry and then Investigator Chandler, if that's all right. We
Okay.
don't need the defendant.
Okay, I'm gonna move her. Okay.
Okay, thanks, Mary.
Uh-huh. Attorney Barry, you have the capabilities to go back to breakout room 1.
Okay.
Hello? Hello?
Yeah, bro, have you spoken with the attorney yet?
Yes.
Have a place you into a waiting room until the judge is ready for you, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Miss Brianna Willis,
Yes,
have you spoken with the attorney?
yes,
Okay, I'm gonna place you into a breakout room. Sorry.
okay,
I'll place you into a waiting room until the judge is ready, okay?
okay.
Thank you.
Ms. Spears? All right, cool.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I just want to make sure you were there.
I'm here.
I'm gonna do a review. All right. I hope you can hear everybody. Sir, you're gonna have to speak up loud, okay? Right here. Let's speak up loud. Now calling the matter of the people versus Jesse Williams. This is U ticket 599-04621. This is one count of disorderly conduct. Today is the date and time set for a review in this matter. Mr. Williams was to have completed HIV STI test, community service 20 hours, as well as prostitution awareness program class, and pay a $300 fine. Mr. Williams is present in court today. Please state your name loudly for the record, sir.
Jesse James Williams.
All right, thank you, sir. In my possession, I have a copy of volunteered hours at Focus Hope in the amount of 20 hours. I do have a certificate of completion for the course he was supposed to take, as well as I do have a copy of a test that he took for this matter with his name at the top. I have the receipt for the $300 fine. And so at this time, the court is going to close out this matter under disorderly conduct for successful completion. Thank you so much, sir. If there's nothing further that you have to say at this time, sir?
No, ma'am.
All right, he said, no, ma'am. If not, this concludes this hearing. Thank you so much. Have a good day, sir.
Do I keep the receipt for the ticket in case the officer stops?
You need, yeah. Let me, make a copy real quick. You have copies of everything else, sir?
Yes.
All right, court officer. Thank you. You're welcome, thank you. All right, so you're all set. Thank you, Mr.
All
Williams.
right.
Thank you for being so diligent with this too.
All right, thank you. Have a
You're
blessed-
welcome. Today's National Earthing. All right, Mr. Berry. Who might
Yes,
be
Your
ready?
Honor. Ready, Your Honor.
Okay. Give me one second.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Sorry. I'm sorry, Ms. Wilson, we can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Delilah Wilson. This is ticket number SP 1208421. Count one, drove while license suspended. Ticket number SP 9464091. One count allowing unlicensed driver to drive. Case number 144512222. One, drove while license not valid or improper license. And count two of that same ticket is no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Miss Wilson, P28880. Your full name, Miss Wilson.
Delilah Iran Wilson.
Your Honor, Ms. Wilson would avail herself of the people's offer to allow her to enter a plea to improper plates and the remaining matters to be dismissed.
If you would like to take advantage of that offer, please raise your right hand, ma'am. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Ms. Wilson, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
I want to take your attention back to the date of June the 2nd of 2021. Were you in the area of Gratiot and Greener?
Griner. Yes.
In the city of Detroit driving a Chevy vehicle?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, was your license suspended at the time?
Yes.
Satisfied, Attorney Berry?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Is there a stipulation for probable cause and the remaining counts to be dismissed?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge, improper plate. I'm going to dismiss the remaining matters. Ma'am, my fine is typically $200. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
I can pay it next Friday.
Okay, I'll give you 30 days just in case, okay?
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna have it due no later than August 11th, 2022. Now, ma'am, you may have some reinstatement fees. That's above this price, but all that needs to be paid by August 11th is this $200, okay?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further. That concludes this hearing. Thank you for your patience today, Ms. Wilson.
Thank you.
All right, have a good day.
You too.
All right,
Bye.
bye. Edwin Webb?
She wasn't that damn done.
You are
Back on. Hello?
Hello, you're live in court. Be mindful of that, okay?
All right.
All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Edwin Webb. This is U ticket 472-18218. One count of disorderly conduct. Ticket number P12222-502. Count one, expired plate. Count two, no receipt of or unsigned registration. Count three, no proof of insurance. Also calling ticket number P1222509. One count drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Webb. State your full name, Mr. Webb.
Edwin Lavelle Webb.
Your Honor, Mr. Webb would avail himself of the people's offer to enter pleas to 2 counts of blockading and the remaining matters to be dismissed.
Is that right, Mr. Webb? You want to take advantage of that offer today?
Yes, I already paid it.
Okay, sir.
Anyway. Yes,
Okay,
please.
I'm gonna read from the ticket to establish a factual basis and then to set the fine up. Go with it, okay?
All right.
All right, on the date of July 4th of 2021, in the area of East Jefferson and Bellevue Streets in the city of Detroit, Mr. Webb was driving a Chevy vehicle at that time, and it had expired plate, and he had no receipt of, or it was an unsigned registration. Satisfied, attorney? Barry?
Satisfied.
Is there a stipulation for probable cause and the remaining counts to be dismissed?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court is going to enter pleas of responsible to the amended charge of blockading on both counts 1 and 2. Count 3 will be dismissed along with ticket number 12-22509 and ticket U47218218. Sir, the fine for both of those tickets is $175 apiece. So that's $350. Typically with civil infractions, you only have 14 days to be able to pay that. Is that gonna be enough time for you, sir?
Yes, I just need to know exactly.
He needs,
Exactly.
he believes he's posted a bond, Your Honor.
Okay. You believe you have a bond?
Yeah, I guess so, yes.
Speaking things.
Yes,
Okay, let me see.
but I did have a registration to that truck.
You can be quiet now, Mr. Webb.
All right, you got it.
So we're not seeing a bond. Oh, what about this U ticket? Let me see. What about the U ticket? Hold on, hold on. Okay. It's though, it looks like it was a bond set, but you never paid it though. Is that right?
A bond I never paid?
It's okay.
I
the case
paid
is-
every,
Say,
no, I paid every bill that was debted to me in Detroit.
all right. Well, we don't have
Besides,
any fines for you, Mr. Webb, okay?
oh gee, all right.
Okay.
Anyway, I can get some receipts.
Yes, if you come down, physically come down to 36th District Court to pay this fine, and then they'll print out a receipt of all the monies that you paid and where they, so you'll know exactly what you paid to the court. Okay?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So you said you can't pay this in 2 weeks or no?
Yes, I can. I just need to know exactly. Cause I don't want my money lost again. Cause I paid all the other tickets. I just don't want my money lost again. It seemed
Okay,
like
so-
it was lost.
Physically come down here to 36th District Court and pay for it at the cashier's window, okay?
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, have a good day, sir.
You too. And thank you, lawyer, if he's back there listening.
He's still there. He's still here.
All
Thank
right.
you.
Thank you.
No, I need her. I was waiting. You don't know where.
Oh, sorry.
She said she didn't know how to get off neither. I said, just kill it. Damn. She said,
All right. Ms. Willis? Brianna Willis?
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. Now calling the matter of the people versus Brianna Willis. This is ticket number P1219906, one count open alcohol in a motor vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, passengers on the page.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Miss Willis. State your full name, Miss Willis.
Brianna Samaje Willis.
Your Honor, Ms. Willis would avail herself of the people's offer to allow her to enter a plea to disorderly conduct based on a 12-month delayed sentence.
Ma'am, do you want to take advantage of that offer today?
Yes.
All right. If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, put your
I
hand
do.
down. Okay. Did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the right that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in the future? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, I want to take your attention back to July 4th of 2021. Were you in the area of West Jefferson and 24th Street in the city of Detroit in a Dodge vehicle?
Yes.
And did you have alcohol in that motor vehicle on the passenger side?
Yeah, my brother did, the driver.
Okay. Satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, the court is satisfied as well. See, Ms. Willis, and I'm going to enter a plea to the amended charge of disorderly conduct in a vehicle. Ms. Willis, I know this is a tough one for you to bite, but you see what happens when you let people drive and do whatever they want in the vehicle?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was his car.
Okay, it was his car, but you went there and you let him put the alcohol on your side of the vehicle?
It was in the middle.
All right, you know, when officers pull up, did he get pulled over that day? Or y'all were just parked?
We were parked. The car wasn't even on. And they ran the plate. Yeah.
Were you drinking that day with him?
No. It was 4th of July and he was out there with his friend. His friend had just got out the car to play basketball at the court on the side of us before they pulled up. So that was his cup. And my brother is deceased now.
Okay. I'm gonna order you to do 40 hours of community service. And you have a year to do it, okay?
Okay.
All right, that's in lieu of cost and fine, 40 hours of community service. I'm gonna give you a phone number to call. You ready to take it down?
Yeah, 1 second.
Okay.
What's the phone number?
313-965-8130.
Okay, I got it.
Okay?
Thank you.
All right, this was a tough lesson to learn, but when you're in the car, even if you're not, and that alcohol is on that side, so they don't know who's been drinking it, right? So,
Right.
but do the 40 hours of community service. You have a year, okay? As long as you get no new tickets in this year, this case is going to be dismissed. Okay?
Okay.
All right, so, the review is July 11th of 2023, okay? No new tickets.
Okay.
Pay, do the community service that I've assigned to you, and this case will be dismissed.
Okay, thank you.
You're very welcome. If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. Good luck to you, Ms. Willis, okay?
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too, thank you. Are we ready on Ms. Yonkin?
Ready on who, Your Honor?
Ms. Yonkin, Barbara Yokin?
The defense is ready.
Okay. Are you ready? Is this gonna be a trial?
It may very well be, Your Honor.
All right, I put her last. All right, can I get Trayvon Williams out of there? Mr. Williams, can you take your hat off?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We're gonna somewhere a little bit more secluded.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Trayvon Williams. This is ticket number P1217119, one count open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger. Ticket number SP. Well, these are in disposition. Oh, 127742221. This is one count speeding, 26 to 30 miles over posted speed. And ticket number SP 127742223, one count no valid registration certificate. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
O.S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full names, Mr. Williams.
Tavion Williams.
Your Honor, Mr. Williams requires a bench trial.
All right. Sir, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Sir, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And he's informing me that you want to have a bench trial. Now, the
Yes.
only case that's technically open right now, is the open alcohol and motor vehicle passenger. The other two cases, Attorney Berry, are in disposition already because he didn't show up to a court case, I'm imagining. So do you want to do it on all the matters or just on the one today?
Your Honor, we need all of the matters. I am believing that once on the trial date that this offer would still be available.
Okay. So at this time, the court is going to take tickets number SP 127742221 and count 3 out of disposition.
Yes. Thank you.
Hold on a minute. I don't have count 2. Hang on. All right. Also calling on this record today. Oh, I do have count 2. The one that she does. The one, that's always the one she does. All right, ticket number SP 127742222. This is one count accident, equipment violation, defective steering. That's just a civil infraction. The court is going to set these matters for a bench trial on the date of October the 25th. October the 25th. That's going to be at 9 a.m. It is going to be via Zoom, so the same way you zoomed in today, zoom in like this. Did you pay any bond money, sir?
No.
All right, so I'm gonna set it at $0 personal. If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. Have a good day.
Okay, thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Ms. White, did you do your 40 hours of community service?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have that proof?
It was sent from Miss Green. I never got a copy. At, it was at Mac Alive.
Okay, put yourself on mute for me, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Ms. White, do you have an extra copy of that, or no, you don't have a copy at all?
No copy. No, ma'am.
All right, the person who's in charge of that is not here today, and we don't have a copy of your community service. So I'm gonna have to adjourn this because I need to be able to see it, okay?
Okay. Would I be able to go down the street? Cause I live right down the street from the community service Mac Alive.
If they can provide it to you, and you can show it to me, absolutely.
Okay. I'm
Come
feeling.
back- Can you come back at 1:30 and show that to me, and then I'll close it out if you have that done.
1:30. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so log off, sign back on at 1:30. If you're able to show it to me, I'll close out this matter, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
You're very welcome. Thank you, Ms. White.
You're welcome, ma'am.
All right. It's all work then. Mr. Yarborough, if you can activate your camera for me, please.
I can, but I'm about to turn the camera towards me. I won't be able to see you.
That's okay.
Okay.
Did you do it?
I can hear you.
I said, did you do it?
Yes, you can't see me.
No. So,
Activate. I don't know what's going on.
it's all right. Now calling the matter of People versus Darnell Yarborough. This is ticket number P434592. This is one count failed to display a valid operator's license on a person. Ticket number P949086. Count 1, drove or license suspended. Count 2, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Ticket number 503274. Count 1, operating under
Yeah,
Well,
now,
operating while intoxicated, it looks like. Count 3 is improper plate. Ticket number 332027. Count 1, no operator's license in possession. Count 2, operating open intoxicants in a vehicle. Ticket number 393308, no operator's license on person. And ticket number P194705, count 1, drove while license not valid. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Yarborough. State your full name, Mr. Yarborough.
Darnell Yarbrough.
Your Honor, Mr. Yarborough would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter pleas to improper plates and to open intoxicant in a vehicle as a passenger. The other matters to be dismissed.
Am I go?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Did you get the state offer too?
No.
Okay, there's a state offer too.
Could we get Ms. Cole?
No, it should have been sent to you. You don't have a copy of it?
No, I do not.
Okay. Then you don't have to state offer for y'all. State offer for y'all, bro. You said it's over there. Oh. It's older than that. Can't remember if there's a 19. Yeah, I didn't know. Because I thought that it was supposed. I thought so, but then on this, so count 1 and 3 is open on this ticket. That's the OWI count. That is not. It says disposition, that's why I'm confused.
Out of this thing. What is this?
That's the same ticket. Right. This is count 1. Right, count 1 of that same ticket. That ticket, that's the same, that's that ticket. So count 1 is closed, 2 is closed, and count 3 is only. Count 1 is still open. It can't be. That older, pull it up, that older line count. That's it right here. But it's 2 different orders. That's the ROA. Right, but you said count 1 and. Right, but it's just saying open because we didn't pay. Right. Oh, I thought you were saying open because it was still needed disposition. No, he pled guilty to count 1. And then he pled guilty to count 1 and count. Okay. He just never came back and handled it. Okay. And count 1. I took it as it was still open, like he needs to handle. No, he pled guilty to both already. All right, never mind on that. You ready to avail yourself of this offer today, sir?
Yes.
Okay. If so, please raise your right hand.
Okay.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Mr. Yarborough, have you had the opportunity to talk to an attorney in private about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that when you take this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of November the 17th of 2018. At that time, were you driving a Mitsubishi vehicle in the area of 7 Mile and Pearson Streets in the city of Detroit?
No.
Was it a motorcycle?
No.
All right, well, Mr. Berry, he can have a bench or a jury trial. Which one would he like? We need to talk to him?
All right, well, may I, I need to speak with him about what kind of trial he wants, Your Honor. Could we go to a breakout room?
Yes, so. Y'all go to, I'll have you go. We put Mr. Berry and Mr. Yarborough in a breakout room. Then you received a David Young matter.
Yes, Your Honor.
He's in room 6, okay?
Okay. We'll clear out Mr. Yarborough and then I'll speak to Mr. Young, if it pleases the court.
Yarborough, he's in breakout room 5. Mr. Yarborough, you can go back and breakout room 5.
Okay.
And then Mr. Young is in 6. They're ready for consent.
Disconnect. Oh, no, because that's a Zoom number. I'm sorry. Okay, hold on. Need dial number, and that's actually. Hey, man, what's the Zoom dial number? Okay.
Ready on Mr. Yarborough, Your Honor.
Hello?
Yes, phone number 7686. What's your name, sir?
Robert Allison?
He's a civilian witness on, the Yonkers.
Oh, okay.
Could I be placed with David Young?
Oh. Yes, he's in breakout room 6. I'll put you in.
Judge, just to kind of give you a little background on this Yonkins case.
I don't know why I'm on mute. I don't know why I'm on mute.
We have you checked in, sir. We know you're here, okay? We need you to place your device on mute for me.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
David Young is unresponsive.
Okay, I'm just gonna close out the breakout room.
Hello?
Hello, is this Mr. Yarborough?
Yes.
All right. Recalling the matter of People versus Darnell Yarborough. This matter has been called on the record already. We're in the midst of taking a plea, but we had to stop. And no other matter has been called in between. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Yarborough. Your Honor, we seek a bench trial.
All right. Sir, is that right? You would like to have a bench trial?
Yes.
All right. Can you please raise your right hand?
Yes.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, sir?
Yes.
All right. Did you have an opportunity to talk to your attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And it's my understanding that you want to have a bench trial. That's the trial before myself as the trier and finder of fact. Is that how you want to move forward?
Your Honor.
Yes. Can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah, I can hear you. I'm trying to get my license back, so I'm just trying to really, I just want to pay everything off and just be done with it.
But Mr. Yarborough, here's the problem. When I asked you were you driving a vehicle in that area, you told me no. So obviously, you don't believe that you were driving a vehicle in that area. So I can't take stuff just because you want to get it over with if there's no guilt being admitted or you say it didn't occur or happen in that place. So although I can appreciate that you want to get everything back and get it in order, I can't just take stuff if you're already disputing. When I asked were you driving a vehicle in that area, you told me no. And so now I don't, if you weren't driving a vehicle, that means that you weren't driving with the license suspended. And there's not much, I mean, you can talk to Attorney Barry and see if you can do anything, but that's why.
Okay, I'll talk about them.
Okay. Off the record. Here's the, you know, I gotta do this other guy thing. Up that, and everybody together.
Hello?
Hello?
Did someone call David? Yes.
Have you spoken with the attorney?
No, ma'am.
Okay, because he was in the breakout room and he said you were unresponsive.
I probably didn't hear when he called through. My phone had a poor reception. I had to move to another part of the house.
Okay, I'm gonna place you in the breakout room, but you have to be ready when the attorney here, okay?
Okay. So what do I do now?
I'll place you back in the breakout room so you can speak with the attorney.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Just gonna grab a couple things from my office.
Mr. Yarborough.
Hello? Hello?
Yarborough. Mr. Yarborough, you need to speak back with the attorney.
Yes.
Okay, can you go back to breakout room number 4?
It's not pop. Oh, okay. That's it. You said number 4?
Yes.
Okay.
Attorney Barry, he's in breakout room 4. Donnell Yarborough. Mr. Young, have you spoken with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm gonna place you into a waiting room now until the judge is ready, okay?
All righty.
The judge comes out, you have to remove your sunglasses and your hat though, okay?
No problem.
All right.
Has Mr. Young left us?
He's in the waiting room, Attorney Elwood.
Oh,
Are you finished with Darnell Yarborough?
yeah.
Okay.
Could I get Mr. Young back into a breakout room?
Hello?
Mr. Young,
Yes.
the attorney needs to speak with you again, okay?
All righty.
Can you go back into breakout room 6?
How do I do that? Okay, I see it. Okay, I got it.
Oh, all right. Okay, Mr. Mayor, you ready? For everyone?
Ready. I'm ready for whatever.
No. Okay.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hold on. Okay, Mr. Young, I'm gonna place you back into the waiting room, okay?
All righty.
Mr. Yarborough, I'm gonna place you back into the waiting room, okay?
Okay.
And Ms. Yukins, I'm gonna place you back into the waiting room.
Mr. Yarborough, can you hear me okay?
Yes.
All right. Recalling the matter of the people versus Darnell Yarborough. This matter has been called for the record already. Appearances once more.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Yarborough.
Mr. Yarborough, can you state your name?
Darnell Yarborough.
All right. This is the date and time set for, some of these matters are all pre-trials. Some of them are arraignments on the bench warrant. We were in the process of taking a plea. How are we moving forward with this today, Attorney Berry?
I beg your pardon, Your Honor, I didn't hear you.
I said, how are we moving forward with this today?
Well, Your Honor, I thought the matter was set for trial. We had a factual basis problem.
Okay. Mr. Yarborough, we're having a bench trial in this matter.
I didn't hear you.
I said, are we having a bench trial in this matter?
I just want to get it resolved.
All right, I'm gonna move on to another matter. I'll come back to you in a moment.
Okay.
Mr. Young?
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus David Young. This is ticket number P795781. Count 1, improper plates. Count 2, drive while unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number 126435513. Count 1, drive unregistered motor vehicle. Count 2, drove while unlicensed. Ticket number 10508986. 1 count drove while license not valid. Ticket number P1210154. Count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, improper plate. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P1210158. 1 count drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number P965649. 1 count drove while license suspended. Ticket number P795782. 1 count drove while license suspended. Ticket number 535746. 1 count drove while license suspended or revoked. Repeat offender. Ticket number 1543457. 1 count, no operator's license on person. Count 2, drive unregistered motor vehicle. Ticket number or case number 094175621. 1 count drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number 084343821. 1 count failed to display a valid operator's license on person. Ticket number 07480811073. 1 count failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Ticket number 074081007. Count 1, drove unregistered or untitled vehicle. And count 2 of that same ticket is no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Young. State your full name, Mr. Young.
David Erickson Young.
Your Honor, Mr. Young would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter pleas of no registration and improper plates, that is P1210154, counts 1 and 2, as well as 2 other counts of improper plates, P1210158 and P12105154, count 3.
Right.
Remaining matters, the 16 other matters to be dismissed.
Mr. Young, you want to take advantage of that offer today?
Yes, ma'am.
If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down, sir. Did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up any right that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of June the 8th of 2021. Were you in the area of Hubble and Grand River in the city of Detroit driving a Ford vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
And while you were driving that Ford vehicle, was your license not valid at the time?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you also, was the vehicle unregistered or untitled at the time?
Yes, ma'am.
Did it have improper plates on it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you not have any car insurance?
No, ma'am.
All right, and this all happened in the city of Detroit, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Satisfied, Attorney Barry?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Is there a stipulation for probable cause and the remaining counts to be dismissed?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court is going to enter in a plea as charged on ticket number 10154 to counts 1 and 2. Count 3 is to be amended to improper plate. On ticket P1210158, that count is to be amended to improper plate as well. The remaining counts called on the record today are to be dismissed without prejudice. Mr. Young. Tickets
Thank you,
never go
ma'am.
away. They just stay here. And we hold on to them until you come join us. You understand now?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Did you post any bond money for these tickets?
No, ma'am.
Okay. I'm gonna give you a fine because we're just missing a whole lot of tickets, okay?
All righty.
All right.
And thank you, ma'am.
So I'm gonna charge, my fine is $200 a ticket. So that's $800.
All right.
How long will that take you to pay? I'll give you some time. Usually I don't do a ton, but you get 16 tickets dismissed. So I feel like I gotta give you a fine today.
All right. 2 months is good.
I can give you 3 months. I wanna make sure you're gonna be able to pay it, Mr.
All right.
Young.
That's even better, ma'am.
Okay, is that gonna be enough time though? Because I'm asking for $200 a ticket, so that's $800.
Yes. Do I come down to the court to pay it, or how do I pay it?
You can, so you can pay it online, or you can physically come down to the court. You can pay one ticket at a time. You can pay them all at the same time, but you need to come pay your ticket.
All right. No problem. Thank you.
These are all your tickets, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you paid any fines before? I'm gonna go with no.
No.
Okay,
Not,
that's what
not,
all right.
not that I can remember. It's been so long.
That you can remember, okay? That's what I'm giving. No. Okay, all right, $200 per ticket. I'm going to give you until October the 11th to have it paid. October the 11th. Okay?
Thank
The
you.
remaining, I think it was some state tickets too. I dismissed every other ticket, Mr. Barry.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. All right, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Barry.
Welcome, sir.
All
Everybody
right.
have a blessed day.
You too, Mr. Young, okay?
Thank you.
All right. Yes, this young. You need John? I do. Somebody. I do. Says phone back. Ms. Youngkin?
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Good afternoon. Okay, give us 1 second. I just need to get a prosecutor down here.
Okay, dear, thank you. Sometimes
All right, we're ready. Now calling the matters of people versus Driver and Yonkin. This is B ticket 123791. One count failed to vaccinate dog for rabies or provide proof of vaccination. B ticket 123792. One count failed to provide a leash and or responsible person for dog off owner's property. Ticket number B 123793. One count failed to prevent animal from engaging in nuising, menacing, or dangerous behavior. And B ticket 123790. One count of harboring an unlicensed dog. Appearances for the record, starting with the city attorney, please.
Shannon Walker, P 53794 on behalf of the people.
And investigator, you can go ahead.
Investigator Janitra Chandler, Detroit Animal Control, badge 15.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Yonkin.
Barbara Ann Yunkins.
Today is the date and time that I know we do have another person who's a witness on the phone. Today is the date and time set for a bench trial in this matter. It is my understanding that there is a video that needs to be provided from a witness. Is that correct?
Judge, that is my understanding as well.
All right. And I know Mr. Berry has not had the opportunity to see this video because he is house counsel for this day. And this is a matter previously scheduled at this point in time. Ms. Yonkin, what I'm going to have to do, and Investigator Chandler, is I'm going to have to bring everybody in for an in-person bench trial so that we can be able to see this video and so that you can be able to have proper representation of the video and be able to see everything that takes place. I'm looking at the date and to the witness as well. I'm looking for the date of August the 12th. Does that work with you, Investigator and Ms. Yonkin? For
Yes.
in-person, physically coming down to 36th District Court and coming in the courtroom to have a bench trial?
Yes.
Oh, to physically come to the court on August 12th?
Yes, does that work for you, ma'am?
Yes, I'll make it work. I had a dental appointment, but I'll make it work.
Let me see. I don't necessarily need you to move your dental appointment.
I appreciate that.
Yes.
What about August 9th? Oh.
Ma'am?
No. Never mind, hold on. I'll be here, but I can't miss my flight.
I have a show call case that was mistakenly attributed to this on 8:30 on a Tuesday. Would that be okay? At 8:45 in the morning?
You say you have another court date on August the 30th?
Yes.
Correct. when I talked to the attorney, Mr. Wozniak, he told me that he had taken care of like all four of these tickets. They were on two separate days back in March. One was on a Wednesday and the next one was on Friday, so close together. And he assured me that it was taken care of. And then when I got the four all together for the trial, I thought they were. And then just recently for a show cause for the two that was on the Friday. So I would have came if he had told me that, I should still be there, but he assured me that I didn't have to. So I could be,
You just have this.
you dear. I'm sorry. You pick. It's easier for you to pick.
That we put them on today. So you're right, all the B tickets were today.
Correct.
I don't know why you received that other.
She probably received it, but I probably changed.
Oh, they were all today. You don't have any other outstanding ones as far as B tickets.
Oh, so these show cause tickets are not.
What numbers are they? Tell me what numbers they are.
One is V123790210M.
Okay.
And the other one is, one moment. The other one is V123792210M.
Yes, those are both tickets I have right now. Okay, I don't know why they sent that out, but don't worry about it. We only have these big tickets and they're all together.
Because when I looked up show cause last night, I got very scared.
No, I understand. What about August 3rd? Is everybody available August 3rd? Yes, sir. Go on your calendar.
No, ma'am, Your Honor, I will be out of town. I come back on the 3rd.
It's all right. I
My
understand.
birthday.
I'd rather you say, listen, happy birthday. I'd rather you say now, get there and then you're not here. And I'll be
Yes.
looking like,
Hey.
August the 5th, does that work with everybody? August 5th, check your calendars.
It's my
Yes.
birthday, but.
I'm thinking,
All right, she's not the attorney who's gonna be on it though, so as long as August 5th works with everybody, in-person bench trial, physically come down to 36 court, district court. We're gonna set it at 10 a.m. too, so hopefully I'll be finished with the majority of my docket by that time. 10 a.m.
And that's August 5th?
August 5th, okay, August 5th.
I'm gonna write it down right now, August 5th at 10 a.m.
10 a.m. because it's in person, so hopefully I won't have to have y'all waiting too long if we can get started on it, okay?
Dear, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you
Your
so
Honor.
much.
Well,
Yes.
thank you.
Your Honor, may we know the name of the witness?
Oh, yeah.
Yes, okay, let me get that. Phone number 1-586-222-7686. Can you unmute yourself for me, please? *6.
Here.
*6.
Hello, Your Honor.
Yes, what's your name, sir?
Robert Allison.
Robert. And you're in contact with the prosecutor, is that correct? The city prosecuting attorney?
I was also I am the one that owned the house next door.
Okay, he's gonna contact you about what he needs you to do, okay? So just know that he's gonna reach out to you, okay?
Okay, he'll call me.
He'll call you, okay, sir?
Okay, thank you.
What is the
Thank-
address of the house next door?
Oh, I can't put his address on YouTube Live. But I can give it to you when we sign off.
Okay,
French Road?
yes.
Okay. All right.
Mr. Barry can call our office.
Mr. Barry, can you call our office, please? I just don't want that information
Sure.
online. I don't want to put anybody's personal home address information online. Okay?
Sure. Sure.
Thank you.
I'll call.
All right, thank you, Mr. Barry. Does anybody else have anything else?
Nothing for people.
Attorney Barry?
I have nothing, Your Honor. I want to be sure that Ms. Yokins, my number is 313
One moment. 313
978
978
2306.
230, excuse me. 2306. Let me repeat that. 313-978-2306.
All right.
Thank you.
About a half hour you call.
In about a half hour. Okay, about a quarter to 2, I shall.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
This is off the record, well, I can be still on the record. I'm sorry, Ms. Spears. Mr. Barry, are you gonna retain counsel? Do you need me to appoint you as counsel on this to keep it?
I would like that, Your Honor.
Absolutely. Okay, I'm gonna call her Judge Carter. I'm going to let her know that you would like to retain counsel on this since you have been speaking with her. And I'm gonna see if I can get you appointed in that capacity.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Does that date work for you then? August the 5th in person at 10 a.m.? For the bench trial?
Yes, me?
I know that I'm talking about Attorney Barry, because if I appoint him, you're just looking up the date, right, Mr. Barry?
Oh, the August 5th date, Your Honor?
Yes.
I apologize, Your Honor. I thought, but the date is fine with me, Your Honor.
Okay, all right, because it's in person. If I have you as the counsel, then I'm not gonna be able to. Okay,
10 a.m.
Are you done with me, Your Honor?
I am, Mr. Allison. You're all set, okay?
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day. Thank you for signing on. All right, does anybody else have anything else for this matter?
No, Judge.
No, Your Honor.
Thank you.
No,
All right, I'll see you in person for that in-person bench trial on August the 5th, okay? 10
Okay.
a.m. here at 36 District Court. Courtroom 337.
Got it.
Thank you all. Have a good day.
Thank you,
for
Your
your
Honor.
patience. You're welcome. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. God bless you.
Thank you. Thanks to you. I'm forever indebted.
Appreciate it. I don't know how to sign off. Could you sign me off? I'm not sure what the, I'm not sure.
We'll sign you off, Ms. Yankins. We got you. I'm not like training. I don't know my training today.
When did you fly out?
Devontae, why?
Cause he has court at 1:30.
Oh, man, that's why. It's about 1:30. That's the last time, man.
Oh, my God.
All right. Did you want to talk to Mr. Yarborough?
Yes.
Mr. Yarborough?
Yes.
All right, what happened to Mr. Barry? Mr. Barry, log off? All right. Hold. Ms. Spears, I'm going to send you a text message. I'm going to send you a message in the chat, okay? Ms. Spears?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm going to send you a message in the chat, okay?
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. I didn't know you were speaking to me. I'm sorry.
No problem. All right. Go ahead and read that for me now.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, I just wanted you to know.
Okay, thank you.
Did you need a small break right now until I can get attorney? I'm back on the record.
Oh, no, I'm fine. I'm fine.
Okay, all right, but just for your information, okay?
All right, thank you.
Welcome.
Ms. White,
Yes, ma'am.
were you able to get your document?
Yes, and also she's faxed it over. But yes, ma'am, I have all, 3 of them, yes. The time she faxed it and then the letterhead.
So you can pull it down. Okay. The judge said that's fine.
Okay,
What the paperwork that you have.
yes, ma'am.
This was I did this as a bench trial, right, ma'am? And I found you guilty of count 2 or
Count 2 at the park.
in the park after dark, and I gave you 40 hours of community service.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me call this real quick.
Okay, thank you.
Ms. Spears, I am gonna call this real quick.
Okay.
Now calling the matter of the people versus the Lisa White. This is ticket number P11800251. This is 1 count, City Park closed. Appearance for the record, Ms. White.
Salisa White.
All right, thank you. This matter, it was a bench trial that was held back on the date of April the 11th of 2022. The court found Ms. White guilty of count 2, not guilty of count 1 in a bench trial. She was ordered to do 40 hours of community service for review on today. Ms. White has presented the documents necessary for this particular matter. So at this time, the court is going to close out this matter at this point in time. Ms. White, I appreciate your diligence. This morning, when I told you that we needed you to go get those documents, you were true to your word. You went and got those documents. That lets me know that's important, that this would never, ever happen again. This was
No,
a
ma'am.
very isolated incident, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
You're so very welcome, Ms. White, okay? If there's nothing further, this concludes this hearing. You enjoy the rest of your day, please.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you, Ms. White.
You're welcome. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Ms. Spears, I sent you another message. Could you please read that?